Chordify is a popular music learning app designed to help guitar players learn songs quickly and enjoyably. Instead of memorizing theory first, the app lets you dive straight into playing by automatically detecting and displaying chords from virtually any song. You can search their huge music library or paste a YouTube link, and within seconds, the chords appear on screen in perfect sync with the track. This makes it especially appealing for beginners who want to play the music they already love. One of Chordify's greatest strengths is its simplicity. The interface is clean, clear, and beginner-friendly. As the song plays, the chords advance at the correct timing, allowing you to strum along without constantly pausing or scrolling. You can slow the music down, change the tempo, and loop certain parts if you need more practice on a tricky section. It also lets you transpose songs into different keys, helping you match your skill level or adjust for a capo. For visual learners and new musicians, these tools make a big difference in keeping motivation high. Chordify does offer a free version, but many of the most useful features are locked behind the paid subscription. The premium plan includes options like printing chord sheets, accessing MIDI files, and using advanced learning tools. While most casual beginners will still benefit from the free features, those who are serious about progressing may want to upgrade. Accuracy is usually solid, but not always perfect. Because the app relies on automatic chord detection, some songs, especially those with unusual chords or complex arrangements, may have errors. It's a great starting point, but players should still be willing to use their ears and make adjustments when needed. Overall, Chordify is absolutely worth considering for beginners and intermediate guitarists who learn best by playing along with real music. It helps users jump straight into performing their favorite songs, making practice feel more like fun than work. While advanced players may find the tools less essential, Chordify succeeds at what matters most for learners, making learning guitar engaging, accessible, and enjoyable.